Namaste Gurukulians, how are you? I wish you are in the pink of the health. Alright, this is Pawan Kumar and we have been talking about grammar topics. And today's video is related to part 3 of article. So let me write first of all. Now you must be wondering what is part 3. We have done part 1 and part 2 of articles. Now articles are of two types, giving you brief knowledge from the previous videos or the previous topics, part 1, part 2. Definite article and indefinite article. First we talked about definite article, which is related to the, THE, where we use them, remember? With the superlative degree, with comparative degrees when they have to, and many more things like newspapers, magazine names, train names, rivers, oceans, seas, etc., etc. And then we learned how we use indefinite article. In indefinite article, we have two articles, a and an, and they are mainly related to sound. If you remember, if you have learnt, sound, if it is of a vowel, we use an, like A, E, I, O, U, and the sound, if it is of consonant, then we use A. Now what is part 3? What is article if we have done both? So dear students, there is also a thing related to the article which you must learn. You may call that as a zero article, or in other words, where we do not use the. It means it's not necessary that every time you see a position where you find it is a, an, or the, there are other things also where we do not require to use any article, right? First thing related to this, that is related to noun. So first is before abstract noun. Now if you have been practicing on noun, you know that abstract noun means which you can't touch, which is not solid, which you can feel, which you can experience. Now see, if I write the honesty is the best policy. Now I have given you a sentence. Let's look at this thing here. This is superlative degree, so the is correct. What about this? Is this correct totally? Tell me. Is this correct? Incorrect? You may say, yeah sir, it's correct. No, this is wrong sentence. This is okay, this portion is okay, but here this is abstract noun which you can't touch. So what you have to do, you have to remove the and better capital. Now this sentence is correct. Understand? Now in the same way, things related to beauty, or you can say simply the word beauty. For example, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder means सुंदरता देखने वाले की आंखों में होती है, चीजों में नहीं होती है. Means now here, okay, if I use the, it will be wrong, right? Same case is with love. For example, love wins everyone. Do not say that the love wins everyone. Now you have to note one thing. Is it every time that we use these abstract noun and we don't use the? Actually not. Dear students, remember exception. Exception means where the rule doesn't work. Now if I say any particular thing, like if I talk about these abstract noun, but if I particularize them, means if I emphasize them, then the can be used. For example, the love shown by mother is incomparable, means that can't be compared. Now this is a particular love of a mother, that's why we can use the here. Moving on rule number 2. Rule number 2 is related to before language. Now remember, once we used the, if I say the English, it means people, community of England, that is called the English. But what is to do with before language? Simply when you mean English language, so you say English is an international language. Now you are not using the here. In the same way, you can say lot of people want to learn French. Now I mean to say language, so don't use the before French, before English. Okay, next, rule number 3. Now before the names of metals, we have gold, we have silver. So if I say gold is a precious metal, right? This is correct. Again, exception, a word of exception. If I particularize any particular gold, then I will use the. See, example is the gold given to her was a gift. Now it is a particular gold item. Suppose a mother gave her daughter a gift of gold or gold chain or something. Now this is a particular gold, so that is why we have to use the. It is correct here. Dear students, try to understand, we are learning where not to use the, but there are exceptions where the can be used. Okay, now let me. Rule number 4. Before the names of food grains. Food grains, beta, dana. Okay, but here we mean to say they, that food actually. Remember, if we particularize them, the will be used. But here we are saying, we see why we don't use the, because here rice is actually the food grain. Everybody want to talk about wheat, rice, etc. We don't use the. Rice is the favorite food of the Bengalis, means Bengalis लोगों का चावल एक favorite food है. Clear? In the same way you can say wheat, rice. लेकिन, but if you again particularize any rice, food grain of a particular area, then it becomes the rice or the wheat. See, the rice of India, dear students, that India exports rice. Now it is the rice. The rice of India is exported, means भारत का चावल export किया जाता है. Now it is a particular rice. Next rule number 5. Before meals. Now which meals do we take? We take breakfast, we take lunch, brunch, supper, dinner. We never use the. For example, I always take my breakfast at 7 a.m. Right? When do you take your lunch? I don't say when do you take your the lunch. No, simple, without the. I always enjoy lunch. Right? Remember, dear students, Again, if we have any particular lunch, dinner, suppose I met you once in a party, in a program where it was actually lunch. Everybody was enjoying lunch. Now I met you there, right? Suppose this is the case, I met you there at a lunch. Now I will say I met my student at the lunch, right? Why? Because this is now particular. After this, rule number 6, before the names of games. Again, I am giving you a review. Zero article. We don't use any article. Okay. Before the names of games. Now the games you play: hockey, cricket, football, kho-kho, badminton. Do not use any kind of the article in them. Hockey is the national game of India, right? Hockey is the national game of India. Cricket is a very popular game in India or in the world, right? So hockey is a popular game, etc. Now let me raise it. Now coming to the last rule, where we do not use any article or zero article, the. Before these words, okay? Now see, before school, college, church, hospital, market, prison. These words, when you use them in a sentence, we do not use any the article. You say, my father is still in hospital. See, I have written here primary purpose. What is the primary purpose of a school? Teach. Now, these days you don't come to school, right? It is not you don't come to the school. Why it is wrong? Because school here, it is your primary function, primary purpose. Teach or student or teacher. We come to school. You come to school, correct? Right? Because these are the primary purpose. We do not use the for the primary purpose. My father is still in hospital. Suppose my father had some fever and doctor admitted him. Now I say my father is still in hospital. This is the primary function of the hospital, to cure patients, to treat patients. So that is why the is not used here. We go to temple on Saturdays. हम शनिवार को मंदिर जाते हैं. Now here temple is the primary function here, to worship, right? But again, if you use them for secondary purpose, objective purpose, not primary, like suppose I am a mechanic, right? And I am going to repair something there. Now in hospital, now I am neither a patient nor a doctor. If I say I am going to the hospital, why? Because I am a mechanic, I am going to repair something, right? In the same way, school. Suppose I'm a mechanic there and I'm going to repair some lights in the school. If somebody will ask me that where are you going, I will say I'm going to the school, because this is the school, secondary purpose, not primary purpose of the school. Teaching rahi hai yahan pe. Clear? Now dear students, this is all about articles. Here articles are finished, complete. You will get exercise, do them. Till then, enjoy your day. Have a good day.